Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't changed from the previous video, but we are shooting this together in the same day. Just subscribe, like, comment and share, and you're going to be seeing this. Yes, okay, I bought this dress and it's still new, so I don't want to put on the apron so that people can see it well. You get it? You get some. We're going to be making half cakes, mandazi, and we're going to be teaching this in my upcoming class, but chances are very high you're going to miss it by the time I post this. So if you do, here you are. We're going to start with the dry ingredients, which is 2 cups of multi-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of butter or margarine, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1/2 cup of milk, and that's it. So you're going to go in and bring this mixture together, so like this, and then you'll need some extra liquid, extra milk to adjust the consistency. So I'm going to get about 1/4 cup of some milk. You can also add in an egg for richness if you want to. The liquid goes in gradually, not at once. Just pinch and bring it together, pinch and bring it together. You want it to get together but not runny, so we are not trying to make a batter. We are trying to make a dough. This is what we are looking for. When you try to break that dough, this is what you want to see, this breakiness, yeah? So literally, this is done. If you've just woken up and you want to make breakfast or your kid's snack, you would be done by now. So that's it. Let's put it aside for 5 minutes tops as we heat up the oil. See? Even the 1/4 cup of milk did not get done. So go in gradually until you get the right consistency. There's no more flour, it's all together. So if you want to increase the recipe to make more, you can use 4 cups of flour, something like that. So let's put it aside and then clean up, heat up some oil, and then we'll come back to fry. So you're going to dust your surface when the oil is heating up, and then grab your dough. You do not want to over knead it, so we are just going to get a rolling pin. This is also not a lot of mandazi. And then we are going to cut. So the oil is hot and we are deep frying, not shallow frying. So put in and regulate your heat. You want to fry them, and then when they start getting up or the bubbles get less, then you're going to start flipping them so the other side can also fry. I like using the skewers because it doesn't get out in the way. And I do not damage the shapes of my mandazi or my half cakes, or whatever you call these, really. And when they start to brown, you want to remove them and put them in a lined basket. There, my friends, we have it. So quick, so easy, so convenient, good for kids. If you have audacity, if you're audacious, you can sprinkle some cinnamon sugar around this and it will be a match made in heaven. We should do that, should we? Yeah, we should. Okay, let me get some sugar. So I'm just going to sprinkle it here. It just smells good. Who has the milk? Who has the milk? Gwenga toti ya kufa, toti ya diabetes. Yongera munyao.